Hi everybody, I'm Jeff from Missouri Wind and Solar, and this is How to Cut Your Electric Bill in Half Part 6, and it's November of 2015. This is kind of an update on light bulbs from my very first video, How to Cut Your Electric Bill in Half Part 1. So this is an update, and of course there's always got to be updates to these sort of things. Technology changes and products change. So I want to show you a set of light bulbs here in front of me and explain to you what they are and what they do. What we've got here is a 60-watt incandescent light bulb, and this is a 13-watt compact fluorescent, and this is a 9-watt LED light bulb. The thing is, all of these lights put out the same amount of light, but only a lot difference in the wattage. Now, you'll go from a total of 60 watts going to the compact, like I told you in video 1, to 13 watts. And now, with the new LED light bulbs, you can go from 13 watts down to 9 watts. Well, I can tell you for the last year that I have been using the Cree, C-R-E-E, LED light bulbs in my house for the last year, and I have not had one burn out whatsoever. And the Crees have a big warranty on them. They're made in the USA, which I like that, and I try to stick with everything made in the USA if I can. Now, as far as the cost of the LEDs, I've had a lot of people say that they're not going to buy them because they're too expensive, but this Cree 9-watt LED light bulb is down to $8 a piece, and that's November of 2015. And they have continually been going down over the last year. Now, what I buy is Cree daylight light bulbs. Now, this 9-watt is equal to a 60-watt incandescent light bulb. The 13-watt compact fluorescent is also equal to the output of a 60-watt incandescent light bulb. The reason I buy the natural daylight bulbs is they are a lot brighter than the soft whites, and you really get your money's worth. Okay, let me show you an example of what it looks like. Okay, to give you an example of what I got going on here, this is a Cree soft white light bulb. This is a Cree natural daylight bulb, and this is an incandescent bulb. Now, I tell you what I did. I made a mistake buying one of these, and this is for in the bathroom, so I don't buy any of those anymore. Now, what I had going on in the bathroom, just to give you an idea of the wattage that was being used, these designer bulbs, the big ones, they were 40 watts a piece. And that is a total of 240 watts every time I turned on this bathroom light. So I said, to heck with that. And I've got daylight savings, or a natural daylight Cree bulb there, a natural daylight Cree bulb here. Got 4 of them. And that's all we need in the bathroom. Just as bright as day in here. But to tell you that, I'll give you the wattage difference. So people say they really don't want to buy all these LEDs for their house. And I can tell you from my experience, this is what I did. I said, to heck with it, I'm not going to wait. I replaced every light bulb in the house, almost every one, with the LED lights. The first month, my electric bill actually dropped about $25 to $30. Now, that tells me it doesn't take long to get for these LEDs to pay for themselves. Now, my yard lights. I no longer run compacts in my yard lights at all, and I no longer run incandescents. I run the LEDs in my outside yard lights. They've been running outdoors in the severe cold for a year now. Still haven't replaced them. They work excellent in cold. Compacts these don't work good outside at all. It's hard on them, they have to warm up, and they burn out. Now I'm going to show you a bizarre problem that I had ran into putting in compact fluorescent light bulbs in my ceiling fans in the house. Okay, these bulbs here were in all of my ceiling fans in the house, and you can see the small bases on them, and they were 40 watts each. Every time I turned on the lights on the ceiling fan, 160 watts. That's what I was using. So I decided I'm going to go with these small base, these compact fluorescent lights. So the compact fluorescents, these were 7 watts apiece. And I thought, great, 28 watts, I'll drop down to 28 watts. Now I'm going to show you what happened, and this is a bizarre phenomenon that a lot of people have had problems with and could never figure it out. They think something is wrong with their ceiling fan lights, and that's not the case. A friend of mine, Jeff Barrett, called me, and he explained to me his ceiling fan lights, these compacts, were flickering when he put them in. I'll go show you what I'm talking about. Here we go. These are all the compact fluorescent bulbs in here, and watch what starts happening. They will all start flickering like crazy. All brand new bulbs. There they go. All brand new bulbs. Nothing wrong with my ceiling fan. Every ceiling fan in the house is exactly the same. So now I'm going to show you what I did to fix this problem. Okay, here you go. This is an incandescent light bulb, and it's 40 watts, just white. Watch what happens. I'm going to go ahead and put the original bulb back in. Voila, fixed. I'm a genius. I have done this with every ceiling fan light in the house. And the brand doesn't seem to matter. So putting 1 incandescent in with 3 of these compacts, and I have had no problems whatsoever ever since I have done that. I'm still saving money because I've got 3 compact fluorescents and 1 incandescent. 7, 14, 21, and 40 equals 61 watts. Now out here in my shop, my garage, I replaced the old fluorescent lighting with the new T8 light bulbs. And those are solid state ballast. Actually, these lights here put out more light than my old fluorescent lights did. You know, the one with the big bulb, I can't remember the number, but those ballasts are very expensive. This has cut down my power usage a lot, and we use this at the store and in the shop. Well, that's the end of part 6. So I'm Jeff from Missouri Wind and Solar, and I'll see you on my next video.